Hello, this is Patrick and welcome to some more Cybertruck accessory reviews. And today from Hansshow we have this really cool swivel screen mount. Basically, it gives you the ability to swivel the screen in the Cybertruck like the Model S and X. And it also gives you a tilt up and down. So if there's a little bit of glare or whatever, you just want to have a little better angle from your sitting position, eye level. It works really good. The installation process isn't too bad. It's kind of a medium level. There's a couple little tricky connectors that you have to kind of disconnect. But other than that, it's not bad. The swivel screen. It does not swivel on the Cybertruck, but it will soon. This is the swivel bracket that we're going to have to put in place. I believe it's the top and the bottom covering, and then the sensor. Alright, so we got our little pry bar, like all the other Hansshow products. A USB-C extension cable, tools, a 10mm, an Allen wrench, some bolts, and another Allen wrench. So the first thing we need to do is we need to take off this cover. That was super easy to get off. You'll have to take the screws out and put it into the 3 pieces that it comes with. And then you need to disconnect the wires to the screen, which is the USB-C, and this little fan air sensor connector. So they're a little bit tricky. You got to look at where the tabs are. You got to pull out this orange one and then press in on the black to pull out the connector for the HDMI. USB-C. On the other air sensor connector, there's a little black tab you got to kind of push in to pull it out. The bracket goes in. It does lower it just about an inch or so, but with the tilt, it kind of makes up for it. So you actually have a little bit clearer view of the dash, and then you can just tilt it back a little bit to kind of compensate. On the other air sensor connector, you'll have to take the screws out and you'll have to put it into the smaller little plastic cover that'll snap into the bottom cover that goes over the armature, and then the top cover that goes on the top. This is it. This is the swivel screen. Ooh, nice. Check that out. Passenger, driver. So if there's a little bit of glare, you can point it up a little bit. You can put it towards you just slightly. So far, it's working really good for me. I like how strong it is. Like, it doesn't wiggle or anything. And I'm moving it with my camera mounted on top. Anyways, if you want to try this out, use my code. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video, and I'll be putting out more again soon. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you again later. Thanks. Bye.